Hi, I'm Victor from 5 Minute Lesson. Now let's start creating a YouTube channel. First, you have to log into your Google account and then find YouTube. At the upper right side, look for your profile picture, click that, and you will see Create a Channel option. On this pop-up window, select Get Started. You need to choose how to create your channel, either using your name or if you would like to have a custom name. After selecting, follow the on-screen instructions. Now let's say we are done creating our channel. How do we create a playlist? At the upper right side, simply click the profile picture and select your channel. On this page, select Customize Channel. On the next page, click Playlists. At the top, click the New Playlist button, and then you will be asked to enter the playlist title. I can set its visibility either in public, unlisted, or private. Public means anyone can view it. Unlisted means only those who have the links can view it. And for private, only you can view it. So let's say I'm going to choose public and then click the create button. On the next page, this is where you can specify other details. Let's say the description. To edit, just simply click the pencil button. After entering the description, click the save button. Now to add videos, simply click the three dot symbol and then add videos. Here, you can find the videos that you would like to add to your playlist. And suppose you want to add this and click add videos. On the right side, you will see the video added to your playlist. Do the same steps in order for you to add more videos. How do we share this? Simply go to the arrow or the share symbol. You can either get the embed code or you can put it in your social media sites. You can also get the link that you can copy and paste to wherever you would like it to put. And that's how simple we create a YouTube channel. And then create playlist in that channel, add videos to the playlist, and share to others. For questions or any feedback, kindly write on the comment section below. Please like and share this video so others will know how to create YouTube channel too. Again, this is Victor from 5 Minute Lessons. Thank you all for watching.